Hello and welcome to All Hands on Tech, where today's leaders talk tomorrow's technology. I'm Daniel Blazer. Yesterday we shared Pluralsight LIVE Europe with the world. This conference, available for anyone to watch for free, features virtual keynotes and breakout sessions from innovative leaders and experts. Our co-founder and CEO Aaron Skonnard kicked off the event by announcing several exciting new additions to our platform, and we're bringing you the audio of his message in this episode. We hope that you'll enjoy this introduction to Pluralsight LIVE Europe, and that you'll visit pluralsight.com to experience the event from the comfort of home.
Hello, I'm Aaron Skonnard, CEO and co-founder of Pluralsight. Welcome to our virtual experience of Pluralsight LIVE Europe 2020. And thank you for tuning in. Now more than ever, we must rely on technology to build connections and maintain our respective communities. We're thrilled you've joined us and are grateful to our authors and customers who are so committed to sharing their expertise with the world. At Pluralsight, we're all about giving you the confidence that you have the skills you need to execute on your technology strategy. In this video, I'll share with you how we see the future of technology leadership, and also give you a first look at our new product experiences. If you believe that changes with technology and business models are improving organizations, you also know technology is changing how we work, how we lead, how we build products, and how we support our organizations. As an industry, we can't expect to innovate using new technology while keeping the same old leadership approaches. Especially for tech teams, we're all moving up the value stack. The most advanced teams are moving from siloed work to cross-functional collaboration, from local talent to distributed global teams, from using gut instincts to using data, and from manual redundant tasks and human tasks to automated efficiency. These changes may create fear for some, but those who embrace the future will realize the full potential of their people. It's in this emerging world that I've seen how the role of technology leadership is shifting. Technology leaders today can't just hit metrics. You have to drive outcomes. And that's because your technology strategy is your business strategy, which means you and the technologists you support are the most important business strategists and change agents for your organizations. The old ways of working and leading are just too slow. Don't be the dial-up of engineering leaders. Be a best-in-class leader who knows people are the competitive differentiator. The only way to power new business models is with empowered teams. It's these teams that will help you create the outcomes your business needs. That's why it's more important than ever to invest in and champion your teams, to provide them with collaboration tools, coaching, and skills they need to succeed. A culture of continuous skill development is a must, and the way to create that is through technology skill development. That is, having a strategy to identify the goals of your org, knowing the skills needed to reach those goals, identifying where the skills gaps exist, and efficiently organizing and enabling the continual upskilling of your teams. So where are you at with your tech skills strategy today? It used to be that companies would create one-time in-person training that was almost immediately outdated. Winning companies today have tech skill development strategies. Technology skills are their competitive advantage and a critical driver of business outcomes. Based on working with thousands of customers and our own market research, we built the Tech Skills Maturity Matrix to help you understand where your organization stands. No matter where you are today, you can count on us to get you to the next stage of maturity. To successfully drive tech skill development, you need the best content and a platform to deliver it in a personalized way. It's about pairing the intelligence of people with the power of automation. And you need tech leaders and learning and development working together. We are your skills transformation partner to help you bridge the gap between inventorying the skills you have today and building the skills you need for tomorrow. This is why I'm excited to share 3 new Pluralsight skills experiences. First, let me tell you about conferences. You can now watch recordings of today's most in-demand tech conferences. Just think about how much you spend to register and travel to a conference. With 20 conferences accessible anytime, anywhere on Pluralsight Skills, you'll save thousands of dollars, as much as a 10-time savings per conference. You can keep up with the latest technology and get inspired right from your phone. You can also stream conferences from meeting rooms using our Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku apps. And for those moments when you're working on a project and hit a roadblock, we're also announcing guides. Guides are concise articles that include helpful resources like code blocks and real-life examples. You can find quick answers with our more than 800 guides currently available on Pluralsight Skills. Authored by over 50 experts, these articles provide you with reliable information that's easy to search in the moment of need or bookmark and reference later. The third new experience I'm excited to share today is our extension for Visual Studio Code. Software engineers can complete coding projects faster with access to Pluralsight right within the developer's project and workflow. For engineers who need help writing or troubleshooting code, our VS Code extension provides immediate access to quick answers, instead of wasting time searching the web and sifting through unreliable answers. Get content recommendations including video clips, guides, and more based on the coding language and file extensions. You'll have the opportunity to dive deeper into conferences, guides, and this new extension in the sessions that follow. Just like we're improving problem solving in the developer's workflow, we're also focused on workflow efficiency. And we do that by unlocking visibility into how teams work with Pluralsight Flow. Forward-thinking engineering leaders realize they need to create flow efficiency because it's better for the customer. It's better value more quickly, but it's not easy to do, and it's not black or white. It's a spectrum. So how do you know where you're at today? You need data. You need a tool that shows you all the activities around how you build software to know where you're at with flow efficiency. That's why we built Pluralsight Flow, to give you a new way to think about engineering leadership and a new way to see what's happening in the engineering pipeline. We've developed a series of reports that puts the focus not only on the coding portion of your engineering process, but the entire system. The goal is to help engineering teams thrive, and we do that by giving you the data they need to debug their development process. And today, we're announcing 3 new Pluralsight Flow experiences that build on that engineering intelligence. The first announcement is that Skills and Flow are now seamlessly integrated. With this unified experience, engineering leaders have a simple solution for closing skills gaps and improving flow efficiency. We've also launched a new Proficiency Report. With this new report, you can evaluate your ability to effectively ship products across the software languages used by your teams. Are your tech stack decisions impacting your team's ability to deliver customer value? Find out. With a combination of flow and skills data in this report, you get proactive recommendations by language to improve your team's skills and effectiveness. We're so excited to show the power of upskilling and engineering analytics coming together so that you can move faster. The third capability we've added to Flow is one of our top customer requests. Flow now recognizes and attributes credit for contributions made by teams that practice pair or mob programming. You now have visibility into all commit types, individual or mob pair, so you can highlight healthy code commit patterns and effectively coach your teams. The final new experience I'm excited to share isn't for technology teams. It's for the non-tech teams across your company that need to speak the language of technology. Over the last year, I heard from CIOs and CTOs all over the world that they are being challenged to improve digital literacy overall for their organizations. They kept telling me that they loved what Pluralsight Skills has helped them accomplish with their tech teams, but they needed to help other teams understand fundamental technology concepts to move the needle for their digital transformation. We listened. Today, I'm thrilled to announce Digital Literacy, a new plan for a new audience. The Digital Literacy Plan offers over 50 technology-related courses for non-technologists. These expert-authored courses are curated into channels around digital foundations, digital trends, data literacy, information security awareness, and digital roles of the future. Users across your entire organization can learn at their own pace, on their own time, with curated best-in-class web and mobile experiences. Technology leaders can empower non-technologists to speak the language of technology so they can be more effective in their roles and make better informed and executed decisions. If teams don't know what's possible with emerging technologies, they won't be able to engage the teams that do, to solve critical problems and unlock innovation. It's yet another way we're partnering with CIOs and CTOs who are leading their companies into the future. To learn more about all of these new experiences for skills, flow, and digital literacy, watch the product demo videos that are also part of this Live Europe experience. Now I'd like to spend a moment highlighting a few of the key areas where we're investing for 2020 and beyond. We've heard from customers like you that you need to know whether your teams have the skills required for your key initiatives, like moving to the cloud or changing tech stacks. Imagine if you could see the readiness level of each team relative to your most important projects. We're investing in new ways our platform can provide that clarity for you. Next, we have many hands-on learning experiences on our platform, including over 50 interactive courses, 36 hands-on projects, hundreds of exercise files and learning checks. And our team is actively building new ways for your technologists to practice and apply their skills in critical areas like cloud. I'm also proud of how we're continuing to invest in skills coverage. We build the content on our platform in a data-driven and role-based way. We know technology is changing rapidly, and we're committed to delivering courses and content that map to the most critical skills and roles for our customers. With over 250 skill assessments, 38 roles, over 7,000 courses, and all the new content we just announced, Pluralsight has the most comprehensive skills coverage on the market today. We're making big investments in our one-of-a-kind analytics on both skills and flow to give even deeper insights to help you empower your teams to make better decisions faster. We're also committed to expanding our professional services offerings. With the help of our experts, you can drive your most strategic initiatives forward without having to worry if you're on the right track. And you'll know you're in capable hands because our experts have helped hundreds of companies like yours. We are committed to being your strategic partner as you create a new vision for your organization, one that's anchored to a deep purpose. And as part of this new vision, you'll see that leadership of self-directed teams looks completely different than leadership in the past. This isn't about creating a learning culture. This is about the evolution of technology leadership for the 21st century. We all have the opportunity to defy common boundaries and move up the value stack because higher skilled teams use improved methodologies and work together to accelerate value streams. They shorten the time between an idea and an implemented feature in a product. Ultimately, these are the teams that create more impact for your customers. Pluralsight empowers each of you with the strategy, skills, and visibility you need to succeed. Our platform and solutions combine the insights you need to lead with the skills you need for speed. Embrace this new era. Now's the time to start, and we can do this together. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to All Hands on Tech. To watch the complete Pluralsight Live Europe event for free, visit pluralsight.com. If you enjoy this podcast, please rate it on your platform of choice. Have a great week.